the NBC26 Precision Forecast Center, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Our normal high temperature is in the 50s. Today was our fourth day in a row with highs only in the 30s. And we've got 2 more days with highs in the 30s on the way. After that, it looks like mainly 40s as we move through the weekend and into early next week. Tonight, we are looking at a mixture of 20s and 30s across northeast Wisconsin, already down to 26 degrees in Anago, looking at 34 degrees in Oshkosh. But when you factor in those gusty winds, it feels colder. The wind chill right now in the Marinette-Menominee area is only in the single digits. 32 degrees right now in Green Bay. We have a mixture of light snow, sleet, and still some freezing rain with winds gusting up to around 30 miles per hour. NBC26 Precision Radar shows what's been happening throughout the day. We've had a lot of different colors on the map because we've seen everything: rain, sleet, freezing rain, and snow. Once again, some areas picking up another 1/4 of an inch of ice on the trees and everything else throughout the day with freezing rain. Tonight, that transition over to snow is beginning to take place. We have heavy snow right now across much of northern Door County, also up into Marinette County and Menominee County, Michigan. We've got 2 areas of low pressure tonight impacting our weather. This one is taking all the moisture and throwing it back into this one. And this is the one that's going to be moving over Wisconsin throughout the night into tomorrow. You can see that moisture streaming north and then backing up to the north and west across northeastern Wisconsin and northern Wisconsin, eastern Minnesota. A disruptive snowfall north of this system. Some parts of Minnesota today picking up around 1 foot of snow. That heavy snow continues across northern Wisconsin, the UP, and then up into Canada. And yes, it does include part of the NBC26 viewing area. We've got winter weather advisories just about everywhere for tonight into tomorrow. You can see moisture streaming north here out of Indiana into southwestern lower Michigan. That is working back to the north. And I'm expecting the snow to start to fill back in here as we move past midnight and into the early morning hours. You can see that here on Precision Cast. There's that moisture feeding north, turning into heavy snow north of Green Bay. The snow gradually fills back in across the rest of the viewing area as we head into tomorrow morning. And then we'll see occasional snow tapering off to flurries by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon and evening. Totals will be low across the south, much higher across the north. Look for 2 to 4 inches from Shawano to Green Bay over towards Algoma and Sturgeon Bay. North of that, a solid area of 4 to 8 inches. Crivets, Marinette, Menominee. North of that, 6 to 12. And then from the Fox City south, dusting to a couple of inches. So your forecast for tonight calls for snow to redevelop as that mix transitions over to all snow. Windy conditions, overnight lows around 30. Tomorrow, some snow, breezy and cold. High temperatures will only be in the mid-30s. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 34 degrees. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we'll donate $100 to Loaves and Fishes of the Fox Valley. And we did that today. I forecast a high of 34. The actual high was 36 degrees, and that was at 7 o'clock this morning. The temperature dropped off after that. 39 degrees on Saturday, some flurries. A mixture going over to rain on Sunday, maybe some showers on Monday. If we see enough of this, and that, by the way, is sunshine. We sometimes get sunshine here in northeast Wisconsin during the month of April. We may see it. If that happens, we could see highs perhaps up into the 50s. And then as we move into the middle of next week, another big storm packing severe weather and heavy snow will be moving across the central part of the country. Our role in that big storm, yet to be determined. Stay tuned.
Of course, and we have some impressive video from the shores of Lake Winnebago.
That's right. The ice shoves coming on shore earlier today with winds topping 40 miles per hour out of the north and east. Some of those shoves over 12 feet high.
They could cause some serious damage to houses, boat docks, and back porches. People in the area are taking precautions.